How to trim videos in Edit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trim or split. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this plus icon, or you can simply import a project. So here I'm importing a project. So this is the project or the video that I have imported. Now in order to trim or edit it, here you can see the section of editing. Simply tap and hold onto it. So as you can see, I have selected this. Now, in order to trim, you have two options. Either you can simply drag this button here and there and simply trim the part that you don't want, or either you can see this split button on the bottom, tap on split, and here you'll be able to split this certain portion, and it is a type of trim. So later you can trim it and save the ones that you like. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.